This is Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir, and I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference and other Hurriyat leaders and organizations have appealed to the Kashmiris to come out of their homes and pay tribute to Hurriyat leader Mohammad Ashraf Sehrai by holding funeral parades in absentia and staging anti-India demonstrations across the occupied territory. The 80-year-old iconic leader breathed his last in Indian custody yesterday when he was shifted from Udhampur jail to Government Medical College Hospital Jammu after his health condition deteriorated to an alarming position. Already suffering from various ailments, Mohammad Ashraf Sehrai was deprived of all medical and even basic human facilities, which ultimately led to his death. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference has fervently appealed to the people of Kashmir to come out of their homes and hold large protest demonstrations against the cruelty of Modi regime. The appeal has also been made to the Kashmiri and Pakistani diaspora and peace-loving people all across the globe to hold protest demonstrations against India and offer funeral prayers in absentia for the deceased leader. Mohammad Ashraf Sehrai was a great and highly respected leader of a freedom-aspiring Kashmiri nation. The sacrifices he offered for the sacred cause of liberation from Indian yoke are undoubtedly unforgettable. Spending most of his life in Indian jails, facing repression, bearing the loss of his son, and still remaining undeterred and uncompromising was the hallmark of great Sehrai, which every generation of Kashmir should cherish and be proud of. How come this huge loss and a heinous crime by India be ignored? The whole nation is indebted to this great leader, and it is a national, religious, moral and human responsibility of every Kashmiri living in and outside of the Indian illegally occupied territory to come out of homes in big way, pay homage to the leader, protest forcefully against tyrant India and make it clear to India and the whole world that we won't bow down before Indian repression and continue struggle and sacrifice for freedom in a way that this great leader and his son have shown us to. O people of Kashmir, this is not the time to sit at home. Rise on the occasion and destroy the system of Indian repression. Absorbing such a loss will only help India to tighten its shackles of brutal occupation. And it is a moment for the world community as well to wake up and feel that blot on its collective conscience which Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan has indicated while reacting against the custodial death of Mohammad Ashraf Sehrai. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.